Hello and welcome to whoever happened to stumble upon this video or come back to my channel. Hi, my name is Dana and I'm very happy to have you here today. And you may have noticed that I'm filming outside today, which is different from my usual setup, but that is because we are getting my parents' bathroom redone, so it is incredibly loud inside my house. So I needed to film, so I thought let's go outside. So hopefully there's not a lot of like weird outside noises. Also, because there are people in my house, I have to be watching my dogs, so if you see them kind of scurrying about, then that's that. But they're cute, so it's all right. And now that we've gotten all that out of the way, so today, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be talking about essentials that I recommend that you bring to clinical with you. And these are just from my personal experience. I'm going to be a senior in nursing school, so these are things that I have picked up along the way and things I've had recommended to me that I want to recommend to you. My last video was tips for clinical, so if you have not checked that out, check it out after you watch this video and drop any suggestions down below about nursing school videos you want to see from me. So let's get into it. On my lap right here, I have my clinical bag, which I think is so cute. I ordered this off of Redbubble like 3 years ago. It says hip hip hooray, and I just think it's like so cute. But let's see, what will we pull out first? So first off, I guess I will recommend having a really tiny notebook. This was actually my notebook from clinicals. I have all my stuff written here. Nothing that violates HIPAA, of course. But obviously you're gonna need some place to write things down. I recommend something that fits in your pocket. This is just like a little notebook. You can get them at like CVS, but it's really good. And like I said, you can fit it in your pocket, which is so convenient. You have hella pockets when you're at clinical. So I really like having something like this that you can just toss in your pocket and not have to worry about carrying around your big notebook. And also then if your professor asks you a question, you can just pull up your notes. And I used a little post-it to kind of mark my page. The only thing that's a little annoying is obviously the pages are really small, so you have to write on a bunch of pages, but that's fine. I also, what I did was I would put in like the front, the first page, kind of everything I needed to do, like a checklist for every day at clinical, so I could refer easily to that. So you can also do that in the front or back pages, or even just mark pages with post-its that are like things you need to refer to when you're at clinical, or little cheat sheets with lab values or something. So having a small pocket-sized notebook is very, very good. So these guys saved me at clinical. These are compression socks. These are really cute ones, actually. I got these, I'm pretty sure I got these off of Amazon. You can just look up like a pack of like compression socks for nurses if you want like cute ones that have little like nursey things. I would get compliments on my socks. But the thing about compression socks is at clinical, I have 8-hour clinicals. Some people have 12-hour clinicals. I also wear these. I work as a CNA, so I wear these at work, and they make standing for 8 hours so much easier. Personally, I have POTS syndrome, so I have trouble with my blood pressure, and these like literally help keep me upright. But even just for normal people, I guess I'm saying I'm abnormal, but for anyone, I know tons of people that wear these at clinical, and they really just make your day so much easier, and they just help with your circulation, help make standing more comfortable, and compression socks just are a must. And the feeling of taking off compression socks after like 10 hours is more satisfying than taking off a bra. Just saying. I don't know why there's a literal helicopter. I don't know what they're up to, but yes, 100% recommend compression socks. They will change your life. I started using them probably, I think junior year, so I didn't use them sophomore year clinical, and you need. Next up is also a purchase from Amazon, but you can get these other places. We don't have to give all of our money to Jeff Bezos. That's a different thing. But this is a stethoscope case. Mine's cute, a little smiley face. But I 100% recommend these. Again, this is something I only started using junior year, and they're just so convenient, especially like if you don't want to carry a whole bag, like you really don't need the whole bag. You can just throw this in like your backpack. And this is great, one, for protecting your stethoscope, and I'll show you what else I have in here. But it keeps you organized, and I keep like everything that I need to bring with me. Sadly, my little notebook is too big to fit in here. But if this is like what you're taking in clinical, pop it on top of your scrubs, on your dresser, and like you won't forget what you need. And it also helps keep you organized, so I will show you what's in mine. So you see it has this nice little compartment. So on the right, this is the right my right. I just have an extra hair tie because who doesn't need an extra hair tie? This is the little bonus thing that you can get. I only got these this summer, or I got them for my birthday actually as a gift from my brother. Shout out to Sam if you're watching this. But these are little name tag badges. I have another one, but I use it at work and it's just really cute. I plan on using this one at clinical. It will be positive. And they just like spice up your scrubs, and patients like always compliment them. My other one is a little band-aid that has a smiley face. So this is just a little bonus as something to get for clinical. These are from Etsy. It's from the shop What Now Badges. And there are tons. If you look up like nurse badge on Etsy, and they don't have to be like medical themed. There are tons of cute ones with animals and flowers and literally anything. So recommend that if your school doesn't mind you wearing them. But yes, back to my thing. So if you see, it has this nice little compartment. So I have bandage scissors, a pen, and 2 pen lights in here. And then I have my school name tag. Some clinicals, they give us like name badges for that specific hospital. Sometimes they don't. So we'll just wear our school ones. So you can keep that in there so you never leave without your name tag. And then in here is my stethoscope. I have a cute little blue one. I don't know if you will be able to see, but it has my name engraved on it. So really recommend this one to keep you organized. Like you see, my stuff is all very nicely organized, but also to keep you from forgetting things. And if there's anything else that you need to bring with you, there's more room in here. You can put other things in here, and it's just good to always have the stuff you need and not forget things, because that is never a good look to show up and not have what you need. Next up is a scrub jacket. You have to buy it separately with our school scrubs. I have my TC&J one. I wear this to work sometimes too. So I know sometimes you can get like undershirts to wear under your scrubs. They make specific ones for scrubs. I have some of those, but I really prefer wearing a scrub jacket instead because hospitals are always freezing. However, I get like my fight or flight response whenever I get nervous where I get really hot. So I prefer wearing a jacket because then you can take it on and off, as opposed to wearing an undershirt under your scrubs where you are kind of stuck with it. Like if you made the decision to wear your undershirt that day, like that's it. So I recommend a scrub jacket, and if your school doesn't have a specific one, you can get them from any like scrub store, and they come in tons of different colors. Mine's just navy because that's what our school uniforms are. They're white and navy. But scrub jacket, totally recommend. I am always freezing in the hospital. All right. And last up, my recommendation is a reusable water bottle, preferably a big one. Mine's not like huge. This was just one my boyfriend gave me from his work. I have a Hydro Flask as well. I know, so basic. It's actually really cute. It has Yellowstone National Park on it. It was from their National Parks collection. I got it for my birthday last year. However, that one's not that big. I think it's only a 16-ounce water bottle. It didn't come in like the 32-ounce size, but also, like I said, it was a gift. So I recommend getting a big reusable water bottle. If you did not watch my tips video, one of the tips I had was eat and drink at clinical is gonna make your day so much better. Along with that, I consider it for me an essential. I don't have one with me, but granola bars specifically, I like to get the Cliff bars that have caffeine in them. It's so nice to kind of like keep your energy boost. I know for me, especially when I've had clinicals that are up to an hour away, so you're eating breakfast at like 5 a.m. So, and that's when I drink my coffee. So you want to keep, at least me, I need to keep my like awake caffeine buzz going. So I like to get the ones with caffeine in them. I'll insert a picture. Cliff bars with caffeine, not sponsored, but Cliff Bar. If you want to send me some Cliff bars for clinical, like I will review all of your flavors. They're good. I like the peanut butter ones. But I think that's it for my essentials. If you guys have any essentials and things that you like to bring with you to clinical, comment them down below and give us your recommendations. Like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to me if you have not already, and have a great day. I'm just gonna show you my little puppies right now because they're cute. Hi girls. They're on the watch because one of the guys who's working just came outside, but have a good one. See you next time.